Hey there everybody, and welcome back to yet again another Tornado Siren Test. Today is April 2nd of 2022, and we are back for another first Saturday of the month, 1 p.m. Tornado Siren Test. We're in a new location, as you guys can see. I passed by the siren a couple times and figured this would be a good location for us to film this time. Like I said, this year I will be trying to film in new locations. So anyway, with that being said, it's about 12:58 right now, so I'm going to be quiet. Let's let this thing test, and we'll talk more at the end of the video. Here we go. Alright, and at this point, the siren has been deactivated, so I hope you guys enjoyed this new location. Like I said, I am trying to get out and about more, trying to find some new locations to film, maybe even going into some other counties and filming some different types of sirens rather than these federal signal types like these. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This definitely was a good one to film. Yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next month for our next test, which will be May something. I think it's May 6th is when I think the next test is. I'll have to look. If I have that wrong, might put something on the screen. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next test. Goodbye.